Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove estimated taxes Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, go to your Shopify store admin and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on Products from the left-hand menu. Now find the product where you want to remove the estimated taxes and click on it. After opening the product, scroll down to the Pricing section. Here, expand this drop-down and you'll see an option that says Charge Tax on this product. If this option is checked, simply uncheck it and then click Save. This will remove taxes for that specific product. Now, if you want to disable estimated taxes for all products, go ahead and click on Settings from the bottom. From there, select Taxes and Duties. Once you're on this page, scroll down until you find the Global Settings section. Here, you can disable the tax-related options by deselecting them. After making these changes, click Save to apply them across your entire store. Next, go back to the home page and then click on Online Store. In this section, click on the three dots menu and select Edit Default Theme Content. Once the Theme Content Editor opens, click on the search bar and type Tax. This will show you all tax-related text used in your theme. If you want to change or remove wording like estimated taxes, you can edit it here. For example, you can replace it with text like tax-free or remove it entirely. After editing the text, make sure to click Save. Once you've completed these steps, the estimated taxes message will be removed from your Shopify store. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove estimated taxes Shopify. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.